Welcome back to Build Your Legacy Insurance Edition podcast. Got a different episode today.
It's Thanksgiving.
That's right.
Right? You know, we're pre-recording this one because we are planning at this point to be
Hopefully we're with our families.
I was going to say we're with our families, and you know, I might be on the couch right about now with a little turkey coma going on. Right?
I'm supposed to be in the mountains. So.
Oh, well, there you go. That's not a bad place to be. Not a bad place to be. Yeah. So we figured we'd take some time to discuss what we're thankful for. Right?
Yeah.
Figured we'd touch on a little bit of a lighter subject.
That's right.
So
first off, thank you for listening.
yes, thank you, listeners. We're thankful for those that consume the content. Hopefully, it's helping.
Yeah, we hope so.
Yeah, I'd say from there, you know, thankful for our partners, right? You know, both our member agencies as well as our carrier partners. You know, they're great assets to us, and we enjoy, you know, being a small part of their lives in some form or fashion.
Yep. And look, and this couldn't be done without our team of SIA North Carolina folks, and certainly Allie there.
I was going to say special shout out for Allie, who helps us put all this together. You guys have seen her on a previous episode. We're going to get her back in here soon.
She's just behind the cameras this time.
She's the one that makes all the magic happen for us.
We are thankful for everybody that we work with here, for sure.
100%. And I would say, you know, we're thankful for our SIAA relationship and all of those, you know, people with SIAA that helps us, you know, help our members and, you know, helps us be better at what we do.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yep. And look, and certainly our SIA master agency colleagues that we talk with and text and get ideas from, we're certainly thankful for that relationship and partnership we have with them.
Yeah, it's you know, we're spread out all over the country, but it's a great working relationship, and they're great colleagues to have, and like you said, bounce ideas off of and sort of help us help you as members or even listeners.
Yeah.
Right. I'd say from there, for me personally, thankful for you and SIA Group and, you know, everybody within our whole organization, you know, as an employee of the organization, thankful for that.
Yeah. Yeah. So, I think it's, we're blessed in a lot of different ways, and just glad to be here.
Yeah. You know, glad to be
glad
here.
to do what we're doing.
Yeah. I was going to say, I mean, it's not, you know, whether it's the podcast or helping member agencies, you know, one of the things that, you know, I was told at a young age when it came to being successful in life, you got to believe in what you do. And it makes it really easy to believe in what you do when you're surrounded with great people, whether that's a member, a carrier, a partner, you know, someone like yourself who's been a great mentor, and our whole organization from that perspective.
And I think it sums up a lot of what we talk about is the relationships.
100%.
And so that's really what it is. And we hope the person listening, maybe they're listening on Thanksgiving during their break between the football game or things of that nature. But it's about the relationships, truly. And so I think that's, to sum it up,
thankful for the relationships we have that allow us to do what we do.
Yep. And certainly looking forward to building more relationships with different people that we don't know exist yet, maybe. Yeah. Maybe there's some that we're working with currently, but it's a fun time to be in the business and a fun time to get to know different people, and just ready to see what the future holds for all of us.
Yeah, exciting time, like you said, ready to see what the future holds, and you know, hopefully we're continuing to do what we do for well into the future.
That's right. So, awesome. Well, look, I hope everybody enjoes their Thanksgiving.
Yep. Have a great Thanksgiving. Don't be afraid to go back for that second or even third plate, right? You know, nobody's watching.
Yeah, that's right. So next week we'll be back with more content.
I was going to say back to the regular schedule.
But don't feel scared to go ahead and hit that like button for us.
Yeah, hit that like button, you know, subscribe. I'd say the other thing is especially as we move into the end of the year and the new year, if there's any topics that, you know, people want to see or questions they want answered, by all means, send them our way. We'd be happy to discuss them.
Awesome.
All right.
All right.
All right, buddy.
See you.
See you.
Thanks for tuning in. You can catch our Build Your Legacy Insurance Edition podcast on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcast. Be sure to subscribe, leave us a review, or send us over a topic recommendation at podcast@SIAofNC.com. If you're interested in learning more about what we do, visit us online at www.SIAofNC.com. We hope you enjoyed our newest episode. See you next week.